Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how we can connect to the ALiEn2 line of plunger lift controllers using Modbus. So to do this example, we're going to use a ALiEn2 expert controller, which we've plugged in a cable to COM1 on the back here. In this example, we're using the link device connection, which is a USB to RS-485 adapter that you can plug into your PC and use with our Vision device management software to do this example. So on the back here, it's important to note that we've put link into mode 1, which is for our controller. You're going to want to make sure that we've enabled the Modbus function on the controller. So if we go to install and we scroll down to Modbus, press enter, you can see that COM1 is disabled by default to save power. If we hit select, we can enable this. And of course, there's all the Modbus settings and serial settings you can see on any Modbus device. A station address, we're going to leave that as 1 for now. The protocol, which is RTU or ASCII, so this depends on what you're using on the other side, as well as the baud rate, the data bits, the parity, and the stop bits. So we've got 9600 8N1 configured here. So the only thing that's really important is to make sure that we have that set up the same in our Vision device management software. So in Vision, you want to make sure that you've selected the controller. See that your link device shows up as a USB serial port. You can always hit refresh if you plugged in link after you opened up Vision, and we push connect. If we go to the SCADA tab here, we've got some predefined register setups for our products, the Sasquatch or the ALiEn. So we're going to pick ALiEn here. And we just can simply go read all, and it's going to give us the latest settings off the controller. And so now you can interact with it. We can go ahead and change, if you wanted to change, say, the close velocity from 180 to 190 feet per minute. Put in the value, hit enter, and then that shows up. So if we go back into the controller, go to install, well setup, and we navigate down to the close velocity, we can see it's now 190 feet. And so you can use this with Vision to set up your settings. You can use this for interacting with the controller just to test the Modbus functionality. But all these same functions that you're going to see on the SCADA tab here are also available in the Modbus register map for any Modbus master to use. So I always suggest working with Vision first so you're comfortable with how everything works before doing any kind of integration with an in-house system. Now, if you don't have a controller available, there's another option. If you'd rather connect to our simulator, what we can do is we're going to pop open our simulator here, and this is available as a download off our website. It totally mimics the behavior of our controller. We're just going to push a button here and wake it up. And you can see that it runs just like the controller, and you can stimulate all of the inputs and outputs here as well. What's important to know, though, is you need to turn on the Modbus server because Vision and the simulator are running on the same computer. We're actually going to open up a TCP connection. So if we go Modbus server and we're going to start here, we notice it's on port 6300. So now when we go back to Vision, we're going to disconnect. We're not going to use the serial port anymore. Instead of serial, we want to pick TCP. And this 127.0.0.1, that means the local host. And 6300 is the port. So now we're going to connect like that. So we go back here and we pick the ALiEn and we read, these values are actually coming from the simulator. So you can see the close velocity went back to 180 feet per minute. And so we'll pick another setting. Let's say the rise velocity was 492. We're going to make it 505 feet per minute. Let's go back to our simulator. We'll go to install. Well, setup, and we look for our rise velocity. There it is, 505 feet per minute. So this shows you now how you can make a connection either to our controller or our simulator to test the Modbus functionality.